This device is a scintillometer. It's a type of radiation meter which is very efficient to detect gamma radiation and to make a survey in contaminated areas like around Fukushima. You have to use batteries. You can use it with your hand like that, or you can decide to use it like this. What you have to do is first to press the button on. You can decide to let the sound or to stop the sound. It's usually interesting to hear things, so you push the button sound on, and you have to wait for a few seconds. It's measuring background radiation somewhere, and then it will tell you departure. It means, okay, it knows the normal background radiation, and now is ready to make a survey. So you will, for example, decide to check something, and if the amount of gamma radiation is 30% above the background, it will tell you. The sound will increase and you will understand that you're in a place where the radiation is higher. So you can decide to make measurements in a static way. For example, you stay here, you wait for 30 seconds, and you write on a paper the minimum and maximum values that you saw on the screen during this 30 seconds period of time. Or you may decide to make measurements while you're walking. You also can make measurements inside a car, because gamma radiation are so powerful that they can cross the metal of your car. So you can really drive a car with this device near you and look at the screen and see that you may cross a more contaminated road or piece of ground. When the batteries are low, it will tell you. It will say battery faible, which means battery is too weak. So you just have to change the batteries. But it's very, very simple to use. So what is important also is to really write if you made measurements on the soil surface or at 1 meter above ground. You really have to write this information. Is it a measurement on the surface of the soil, or is it a measurement 1 meter above ground? And usually it's interesting to have both information, both measurements. If the gamma radiation is too high, you really have to go fast and not to spend too much time at locations where the dose rate or the counts per second are too high.